News station. WJGA, guys.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Spalding County in west central Georgia, southeastern Henry County in north central Georgia, western Butts County in central Georgia, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:53 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Chapel Mill, or 8 miles east of Griffin, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Jackson, Locust Grove, Jenkinsburg, McKibben, Centreville, and Mortville. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding,